obviously it's emerged into a massive industry, one that has also been partially pioneered by the adult entertainment industry, just like the internet was.
It is.
And that's kind of the topic we're going to be diving into today and learning about with Taboo. So tell us a bit more about what Taboo is and what you guys are trying to do.
Well, I'm going to try to keep it short and brief, as the team believes that there's an interesting mindset within the executive team, which is about most projects go on to complicating what they're building and who they're building for. And in that process, what they really do is discourage mass adoption. Whereas Taboo has been really keeping the narrative simple, straightforward, without any mixed jargons to ensure that we onboard the right users, which we have been currently at 50,000 token holders over the last 2 years. Taboo is really just a token-gated adult entertainment and media platform that creates, curates, and distributes premium content from well-known celebrities, influencers, and KOLs around the world.
Awesome. Is it mostly just focused on the gated content at the moment, or are you guys also building like a community or an exclusive club or a meeting point? Or what other facets encompass Taboo?
That's an interesting question. So I think that's also a bit of a misunderstanding when we talk about Taboo being a token gated platform. However, it's not just that, it's much bigger than that. Taboo is also a social club. We have a very strong community of across the board of almost 60,000 members. We've hit a market cap of 600 million in 2021 in the bull run, and I think we're getting back to that. What Taboo really is a safe space to bring together content creators, curators, but also the consumers alike into the same room, into the same group, whereby they can express what their fantasies are, what their requests are, and Taboo, through its access to its content creators, makes that a reality. In addition, Taboo also hosts yearly in-person Taboo Mansion events. One was held last year, and it was quite a big success, and all tier 4 holders of Taboo get the access to the event fully paid on the expenses of Taboo.
Well, what's this mansion event? That sounds pretty cool. Is it like a Playboy Mansion-esque kind of thing?
And it's a bit bigger than just the Playboy concept of it. So something interesting that when I was talking to our CEO, James, quite recently, where he mentioned that in the last Taboo Mansion event, I wasn't part of the team at that point, they had tier 4 members who were attending. They managed to close almost close to $200 million in business, as it's also a high net worth income and ultra high net worth income clientele's networking event per se. And Taboo does this in collaboration with its partners, supporters, sponsors, and brands that have incentives and alignments with the vision that we have, with the mission that we have, where they all come together. They have a good exposure of their brands, their offerings, and Taboo also brings in all its models for the 3 days and 4 nights event.
That's interesting. That's really actually really creative. How have you guys raised capital for Taboo? Has it mostly been self-funded? Have you taken outside money?
Taboo has been self-funded till date. We have received multiple offers from VCs, from investment firms and investment arms, as it piques everyone's interest. Nobody can overlook that the adult entertainment business is a $45 billion addressable market, given that we are the pioneers in the space, and there are challenges around it. However, there's still VCs, family funds, investors that reach out to us often, showing interest in investing in us and growing Taboo. But till date, Taboo has been self-funded.